In this video, I show you how to make $1,157 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. What to do? We'll find out soon. This is how to make $6.50 per song by listening to music. If you learned something from this video, you might want to subscribe and turn on notifications. So when I find a new way to make money online, I'll let you know so you can be one of the first people to use it. They make the most money, of course. Now let's get started. I want you to go to Soundcloud.com as your first step. Basically, this website lets you find and listen to different kinds of music and songs. Signing up for SoundCloud is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. As you can see here, you can listen to a lot of different popular music, and all of it is available in different languages. You can put SoundCloud on your phone, which is the best part. No matter if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, the app can still be downloaded for free. If you have an Android phone, you can look for SoundCloud music and audio in the Google Play Store. The app will look like this. Just be sure to get the right app. On the other hand, you can get the same app from the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone, as you can see here. Next, once you've downloaded SoundCloud to your phone, you can now find and listen to different kinds of music. I usually do this inside the app. I scroll down and click this button, which says Explore Trending Playlists. We will be brought here from there. As you can see, this is where all the popular music is organized into different groups. For example, if you want to listen to this category's music, you can just click on it and you'll be taken to this page. Click this play button right here to start listening to this music. There is, in fact, a playlist that goes with this song. As you can see, this playlist has 50 songs and you can listen to all of them on your computer or smartphone. Now that you know how to find music on SoundCloud, I'd like to tell you about azlyrics.com, where you can look for lyrics to different songs. This platform has a lot of music to choose from. Say I want to find the lyrics to the song The 30th by Billie Eilish. All I have to do is type in the name of the artist or the name of the song and then choose the song from the list. From there, I'll be taken to this page where I can just listen to the music. I want you to pay close attention to the next part so you don't mess up. As you can see, this is the name of the song, and the words to it are shown here. This is a great chance for you to listen to the songs and write down the lyrics. So just by transcribing a simple song like this one, which usually lasts between 2 and 4 minutes, you can make money over and over again. Now, check out this. You will get paid $1.50 for every audio minute that you listen to music and write down the lyrics. The average length of a song is around 3 minutes. So you can make $4.50 per song based on these earnings. So the next thing I want you to do is go to Revcom, which is the next website I want you to visit. You can find different jobs to transcribe a lot of music on this website. You can do different kinds of work here, like transcription, captions, and subtitles in other languages. For example, if you listen to the music here and write down the lyrics, you will get paid for every minute of audio you transcribe. Make sure you keep watching this video because I'll show you some free software programs that will do all the work for you. Let's return to Rev.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this website and click on Freelancers in the About section. From there, you'll be taken to this page where you can make money online by transcribing or captioning from home. The best thing about this site is that you can work whenever and however much you want. You also have the freedom to choose projects that are interesting to you. You will also get paid directly into your PayPal account every week for the work you do. As you scroll down, you'll see that this website has 2 main types of jobs, Transcriptionist and Captioner. Please choose Transcriptionist and then click on Learn More. Then you'll be brought to this page where you can read more about the website. For example, this is how you sign up and get approved to start transcribing. All you have to do is type in your first name, last name, email address, and country. As you can see, they are basically open to people from everywhere. It doesn't matter what country you come from. You can take advantage of this chance right now, no matter where you are. So now I want you to leave a comment below and tell me where in the world you are watching this video. So when I make videos in the future, I can make them for your area. Now I'll show you another website you can use to transcribe so you can maximize your earnings and make twice as much money. GoTranscriptcom is another site where you can sign up, listen to music, and get paid by writing down the words to the songs. So go to GoTranscriptcom, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Work. In general, the rates they pay for online transcription jobs are competitive. As you can see here, you get paid 77 cents for every minute of audio or video. This means that if you listen to and write down a typical 3-minute song, you can earn $2.30. As you can see, there are a lot of good things about working with GoTranscriptcom. So if you want to make money and sign up for a free account, All you have to do is click on this Apply Now button right here. From there, you'll be taken to this page where you can make your free account. To do this, all you have to do is enter your email address and password, then click the Sign Up button. That's all there is to it. A bonus tip I want to give you is to sign up on more than one platform, like GoTranscriptcom and Revcom. You can get more jobs all over the world this way. Now that you've signed up for both sites and are ready to start making money by putting lyrics to music, here's what you should do next. I want you to go to this website, Autoresponder.com. This free web app will make the job of transcribing very easy. Now I want you to click this blue button right here so you can start transcribing. All you need to get started is a link or the music file you downloaded. For instance, if you want to find music to transcribe, you should be able to find this share button on Soundcloud.com. When you click on this button, this box will pop up with a link to this music track. Here is the full link to share the music track. Just copy this link and click on it to get the file. It's easy to take the next step. To upload the music file you just downloaded, just click this button right here. Then this free tool will help you automatically transcribe the whole soundtrack, but it may have grammar mistakes that you will have to fix by hand. Now I'm going to give you another bonus tip that will help you make more money. When you go to Rev.com, as you can see here, a typical transcription job pays $1.50 per minute, but foreign subtitles pay $5 to $12 per minute. This is a lot of money, so let me show you what you can do with it. Let's visit Soundcloud.com again. You can find music in languages other than English that is not in English. They are paying you a much higher rate because translating music from different foreign languages into English is not easy. This brings us to the next website, which is a free online translator called DeepL.com. With this tool, you can translate music from a language other than English into English. Take Portuguese music sung in English as an example. It also works the other way around, so you can translate English music into French, German, Spanish, or any other language you want. If you want to make even more money, you need to watch this video right now. You'll learn about the best 3 apps that pay you real money, which are some of the best ways to make money online.